Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Think in English. Think in English when you wake up. Say, "Good morning," and think about the day in English. Imagine saying, "Today, I will be productive." Think of your plans. I will go to work, meet friends, and maybe read a book tonight. Think in English when you brush your teeth. Imagine saying, "I am brushing my teeth now to keep them clean." Think, "I use a toothbrush and toothpaste every morning and night." Repeat in your mind, "This is good for my health." Think in English when you eat breakfast. Describe your food in English. I am eating eggs and toast. The toast is crispy, and the eggs are soft. Imagine saying, "I drink a glass of water to stay hydrated." Think in English when you go outside. Look around and say, "The sun is bright. The weather is nice. I hear birds chirping." Think, "The trees are green, and the air feels fresh." Think in English when you walk. Say, "I am walking to the store," or "I am walking to work." Observe the scene. The street is busy, and people are in a hurry. Think, "The road is long, but I enjoy walking." Think in English when you see people. In your mind, say, "I see a man in a blue shirt," or "She is smiling." Think, "They look happy and are talking to each other." Notice, people have different styles and expressions. Think in English when you go to work or school. Say, "I am going to learn new things today." Think, "I will meet friends and talk to teachers." Imagine, "Today, I want to improve and understand better." Think in English when you sit down. Say, "I am sitting on a chair," or "I am relaxing." Think, "I am taking a break to feel better." Imagine, "I will sit and breathe calmly to feel refreshed." Think in English when you are in a meeting or class. Try to follow along and think of English words. Say, "I am listening carefully." Think, "I want to understand everything and remember it later." Think in English when you feel happy. Say in your mind, "I am happy," or "This is fun." Think, "I like this feeling of joy." Imagine, "I am smiling, and I feel relaxed." Think in English when you eat lunch. Think about your food in English. I am having rice and vegetables. The rice is soft, and the vegetables are fresh. Imagine, "Eating good food gives me energy." Think in English when you take a break. Say, "I am resting now," or "I feel relaxed." Imagine, "This is my time to relax and breathe." Think, "Taking breaks is good for my mind and body." Think in English when you finish work. Say, "The day is done," or "It's time to go home." Think, "I did my best today." Imagine, "I will rest at home and enjoy the evening." Think in English when you go to sleep. Say, "Good night," and think of happy dreams in English. Think, "I feel calm, and it's time to rest." Imagine, "Tomorrow will be a new and bright day."